Are you supposed to follow it? Jeez, where are you?
Here is another fun fact. Did you know that our Boxborough showroom sits right at the heart of Massachusetts Route 128 Technology and Advanced Manufacturing Corridor?
I'm Alyssa and I'm here in our factory in Henderson, Nevada.
But do you know where I really want to be March 25th? At our Boxborough showroom, because we're hosting a TRAK Technology Showcase. This event will make our talented team available to our customers for demos and real conversations about the technology and how it applies to their own situation. Besides the experts from TRAK, we'll also have applications experts from Siemens and Toolpath Labs on hand, discussing the very best in technology for machining. The TRAK Technology Showcase is happening at our Boxborough showroom March 25th, 2026. You can register online at trakmt.com. Lunch will be provided. And as Pat would say, remember to keep on tracking.